Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So my name is Anna for those of you who are new here, and I try to post weekly videos. So for today's video, I decided to do a what's in my toddler's Easter basket, and I also show you guys various ideas of things you can put in your children's Easter basket. So if you want to see this video, then go ahead and keep on watching. So to start off, this is Adeline's Easter basket, and has her name embroidered in the front. I got this from a website called Zulily, and I ordered it like a month ago, so it can like come in with time. So a lot of these things I got from either Dollar Tree and Five and Below and Walmart. So I'm going to show you one by one everything I got. So the first item is these little peeps, and these I got them at Five and Below. I think they were like $1, and there's these cute little pink marshmallows. And then the second thing is I got this little book, and it says I keep hearing noises. The second thing I got is this little baby bunny book. This one's actually from Aldi's. Adeline's grandma got it for her, so she gave it to me, and I was like, oh, I'll put it in, and it's cute. It has like the little bunny in the front, and then it's a little book. The second thing that I got from Five and Below, the third thing that I got from Five and Below was this little Jeep, and it's pink, and since Adeline's dad likes Jeeps and cars and stuff, I thought this was super cute because it's pink. So, and Addie, lately she's been like into like car noises because of her dad, so she'll love that. Another thing I got was this bath bomb, and this one was $1, I think, from Five and Below, and it's just this blue bath bomb, and I thought this was super cool, so whenever she gets a bath she can see the water turning blue. Another thing that I got her was this 6-pack of bubbles. So recently I bought her like a bubble maker machine, so I was like, she needs more bubbles, because like the bubble machine that we got her, it only came with like one of these, so I was like, she needs more, so this is really great because there's more. And then lastly, I decided to get her some Play-Doh, and I believe this was $3 at Five and Below, and it comes with all these like miniature Play-Dohs in different colors. So I thought this was cool, so she can get creative and make little things, and I can help her with that. So that is everything for her basket, and I also decided to make a second basket just to show you guys more ideas of other things y'all could add in your basket. So for this basket I got from Five and Below, and it was $3, and it's really cute because it has like the Easter eggs and like florals and carrots and stuff. So it's like really Easter theme. All the stuff in this basket, everything is from Dollar Tree. So again, I got more little peeps, and this one has 8 of them. So there are these yellow ones. And then I got this chocolate Easter bunny. It's a really big one. And then I got this cute, adorable little bunny. I thought it was super cute, so I was like, why not? And then I found this cute little Easter cup. And it has like the little chick. So it's this cute cup, and Addie's like really into like straws and sippy cups lately, so love that. And then I got her this Rubik's Cube because Addie like loves playing with Rubik's Cubes at her other grandma's house, so she'll enjoy playing with that. And then I got her, what is this called? Like a sketch pad. And it's this little miniature sketch pad. It's super tiny and cute, and she can just draw and play with that. And then I also got her some puzzles, and this is the Disney Princess puzzle, and it comes with 48, so me and her will be playing with that. So that is it for the 2 baskets that I created. And then I got more stuff from Dollar Tree. I got these lollipops, like the ring pops, to fill in like with the eggs. And then I got these little miniature milk chocolate eggs, and I'm gonna use these to fill in the eggs as well. And then I got these little like coins from Dollar Tree. And then I really like these, and I found these at Dollar Tree, and they're these little Easter eggs, and they are like dinosaurs because they have like the little dinosaur thingy on the back. So they're super cute. And then from Walmart, I got these Easter eggs, and these were $1, $1.98. And it's all these pretty colors, and it comes with 48, so I got that. And then I also got some bigger Easter eggs, and then like a lot of like the grass, the confetti grass or whatever, but I already opened them because I had like a dog photo shoot, and I'll insert pictures here that I took some pictures of the dogs. So I'll be using the eggs that I used in the dog photo shoot as well. So yeah, I hope you guys got some ideas and things to put in your Easter basket for your kids. And if you did, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Comment down below video suggestions letting me know what else you want to see on this channel. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.